Okay, so let's take a look. Let's revise our place value. Okay, when we were talking about place value, we talked about houses. Now, when we think about place value, I want you to think of those houses. This time I'm going to make 4, but I'm just making 4, seriously, I'm just making 4 to be safe. At this point, actually, you guys won't really be needing 4, but whatever. Here are my 4 houses. Now, my houses can be as tall as you want them to be. It depends on how many digits want to live in the certain house. Now, if you remember, on Place Value Street, we walk from right, this is the right side of my page, to the left. Normally, when we write or something, we do it left to right. On Place Value Street, we walk from right to left. Good, keep that in mind. Now, I just quickly want a sip of water. Okay. Since we start from right to left, we start with our smallest first, which will be our unit. Next to the unit's house is the tens house. Next to the tens house is the hundreds house. Next to the hundreds house is the thousands house. Then we get 10,000, 100,000, it just carries on. But we are only going to, actually thousands is most probably not even needed for you guys, but I'm going to leave it there. Let's leave it there. Now we are also going to be using these houses as soon as we start with carrying over and borrowing. We might do a few of those sums again this week, just in between, so that you guys get used to working with it. Good. Now, if I get the number, 265, I now have to put it in my houses. So remember, Place Value Street, right to left. So the first one will be 5 is my unit, 6 is my 10, 2 is my 100. And if I were to write this in expanded notation means I'm showing you exactly what each of them mean. Then it would be, if we look at the 2, a 200. Because it's not just a 2, grade 2. If you look at 265, that is not just a 2. It's 200 plus 6t. Because this is a 10. It's not a 6. It's a 10. So 6t plus 5. Because the 5 is my unit. If I had to write it like this, where they ask me how many units, how many 10s, how many 5s, I don't write. I have 200 hundreds, 60 10s, and 5 units. No, if you had 60 10s, it would be 60 times 10, which would give me 600. And we don't have 600 6s, we have, oh, I just confused myself with that sentence. Okay, so we have 2 hundreds, 6 10s, and 5 units. You need to be very careful of what it is that they are asking you. If we had to do a sum, I like to draw the operation tree next to the houses normally, because this is where you are going to fill in exactly what it is that they want from you. If they say, let's just keep that floor crossed off, we're finished with the 265. We're starting a new sum. So forget that that's there. Okay. If we have this number. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Those are the numbers they give us. They are telling me minus these two numbers. I'm just going to do this and draw another operation tree. Then we know, okay, this should be a minus. Now, we take it step by step. On place value street, we walk from right. I'm just going to make this here because otherwise it's right to left. So, we start with our units house. You always start with your units house. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. My entire answer will be 226. I have 2 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 units. So 226. If we had to do a plus sum that way, it would look like this. They ask me, they tell me it's a plus sum. I put the plus in my operation tree so that I know what it is that I have to do. And now I must plus these numbers together. So we start with our units. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 2 is 5. 569. I have 5 hundreds, 6 tens, and 9 units. So 500 plus 60 plus 9. I just wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what place value is again, because we are going to be focusing on that this week. Revision of it. So I hope you guys could remember now and understand what place value is and how to use it. Good. After this, you only have your cursive M. I completely forgot to include the cursive M. We skipped straight from L to N. I don't know why I made that mistake, but okay. So you have a cursive M today. It's actually very easy. It's like a normal M, but with a tail or a head, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I hope you guys understand your place value. I hope you understand how you had to fill in the number line quiz, and you understand it maybe a bit better now. I'm really hoping for that. So, good. Enjoy your handwriting. Take it slow. Gray pencil only. Remember your finger spaces. Do not lift your hand. Cursive is one smooth motion. Trace the letters at the top. Yeah, check your spacing. That's the things that I write down the most when I'm marking your things. Trace the letters. Remember your finger spaces. Don't press too hard. Relax your grip on your pencil. Don't lift your hand. No sharp edges in cursive writing. Yeah, that's about it. That's about what I normally write down for you guys. Remember, it's all curves and smooth movements. That's the key to cursive writing. So enjoy that, and then I will put up your grammar video as soon as I get a chance to record it. I really apologize for not planning that in advance, but I will get it up for you, and we will play the game, and we will enjoy it. For those who don't know, I want to Zoom with you again tomorrow at 11. I'm going to go set up a corner for myself in the container. So this time we will see if maybe the signal works out better. But I'm going to go set up my little corner today, and I'm very excited to see those of you who are going to join me. So then I will see you tomorrow.